In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Analytics into your website, and we'll get it all done in just 5 minutes. Whether you're aiming to track traffic, monitor user interactions, or gain insights that help improve your site, embedding Google Analytics provides a robust tool set. So let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First things first, we want to navigate to the Google Analytics page. You can find it by heading over to the Analytics Tools and Solutions for your business page on Google Analytics. This serves as the starting point for accessing all the powerful tools that Google Analytics has to offer. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time. Next up, find the Sign In button and click on it to access the Analytics dashboard. If you don't yet have a Google account, you'll need to set one up, but most of you will already have one. Signing in gives you access to data and analytic tools tailored for understanding your website's performance. Once you're signed in, look for the Google Analytics home section. This acts as your central hub for all things analytics related, offering quick access to reports and data streams that provide insights into how visitors engage with your website. Here you can view a snapshot of your data, which can be quite enlightening. Now let's maneuver from the home screen to the settings by clicking on the settings option. Settings house all the configuration options you'll need to tailor Google Analytics to suit your site's specific needs. It's here that you can manage data streams and set up tracking according to the platforms you're using. With settings open, click on data streams. Each data stream corresponds to different sources of data from your website or app. This is an essential step as it sets the stage for collecting data right from your website. In the data stream section, you'll see an option to choose a platform. The platform here refers to the environment you are working on, whether that's a website, iOS, or Android app. Since we're focusing on embedding Google Analytics into a website, we'll select the web option. This step is critical as Google uses it to tailor the analytics tracking to your web environment correctly. And now select that web option. It's this selection that allows Google Analytics to start pulling in data from your website. Finally, you'll need to input your website URL. This tells Google precisely which website to gather data from and helps ensure that your analytics are tied to the correct domain. And there you have it. By following these steps, Google Analytics will be successfully embedded into your website, ready to start collecting valuable data.